Okay, welcome to the case study on making modification to a registration kickback page. We've got a client here who has requested that we add the date and time to the screen that comes up after you register, and that's what we call the registration confirmation page, or is also often called the kickback page. So let's scroll down and you can see the page that they're talking about here. So this is the page that comes up after somebody registers, and it tells them where the email has been sent and like that. And what we're going to do is add the date and time to that. I've also noticed that we don't have the event link on this page, which when you print this page, one of the things that you'll typically want is to have the event link. We're going to do that, and I think we're also going to do a little formatting here by centering this second table, so that would look a little bit better as a centered. Actually, I think everything here based on how the top was laid out should be centered, so we'll make that adjustment as well. So I'm over to the EMS, and I'm going to go to the home page, and this is the event that I want to update. So I click on the View Edit Update for this event, scroll down to the components of it, and since I'm updating the registration kickback page, I'm going to go edit the registration. So now on the first tab of the registration setup, and that registration post-registration text is right down here. So I'm going to go ahead and click edit and go into the editor. And so what you can see is here's our registration page. So first thing, as I mentioned, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just center this text just so it looks a little better. And I'm also then going to highlight this table, and I'm going to center that table. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is add the event date and time, and let's see where we're going to add that. Let's just add it right after here. So let's say this event is scheduled for, and then we're going to add the event date. So again, I'm going to pull my tags, and I'm going to scroll down to, I'm going to use the date standard again, at, and now I'm going to put the time. Scroll down to time. You can type these tags in if you get to know them, or you can always use the tag insert method, which always ensures that you haven't made a mistake with it at all. And I'm just going to add a period there after the scheduled date and time. And then I'm going to add another line here which says your event link, colon. And now I'm going to insert another tag, and I'm going to add, scroll down here to event link, and basically this is the link that they would use to enter the event. And I'm going to highlight this link and put it in red so that people can see it, and we'll make it bold as well. Okay, so that kind of takes care of the addition here of where the email has been sent, and these look like they are in italics. I don't think we really need to have those in italics, so I'm going to take that and turn that italics off. Okay, and those are the changes to our page. So I'm going to hit update and close. That's updated here, and make sure for these to actually appear, you've got to hit update of the registration itself. Now I'm going to jump over here, and here is our registration form, and for me to be able to tell if it has actually been updated, I'm going to go ahead and register, and I'm going to say I belong to Mary's Hospital, email address. I'm just going to fill in the required fields, and I'm going to say 0 and submit. And now it's given me that registration page, and again it's telling me where the information was sent, the event scheduled for September 18th at 12 p.m. Eastern Time, my event link, and if I don't receive the email, all this information is down here now. So everything looks good. So that's the completion of this session. Thank you.